Hello! In this video I'm going to introduce a great new feature that's in version 2.2 of iBooks Author, and that's a way of importing InDesign content so you can edit and publish from iBooks Author to iBooks and the iBook Store. First thing I'm going to do is open up a sample chapter I have here in InDesign, and this is a portrait layout that I have that has various text, images and normal layout that I've done in InDesign. To actually move that into iBooks Author, you need to export the InDesign chapter into an IDML file. You can do this by clicking File, Export. It selects the IDML type. I can export that, and in a short while it'll bundle up that information with the asset links ready to be imported into iBooks Author. So if I start iBooks Author, I need to create a starting book of the same general layout. So here I'm going to do a portrait layout. I can select the blank one, which is again a new feature in iBooks Author 2.2. I can delete the existing template chapter that is empty, so I've basically got a complete blank book. And now I can go chapter by chapter importing my content from the IDML file I exported from InDesign. To do that in iBooks Author, I select Insert, Insert Chapter from InDesign file. I navigate to where I exported the IDML file. I click Import. Again, in a short while it'll ask me what do I need to import, and the defaults are very good. It'll actually import the paragraph and character styles as well as the linked media and graphics and put those as their equivalents in iBooks Author. I can also select a chapter or a section layout, again depending on the template I've chosen. For the blank one, I'm going to default to a blank chapter, and it'll now take all that content and import it to me. Now, any fonts that are missing or anything that is unlinked, it'll show as a warning, but the actual content itself is there, so I can use the normal iBooks Author toolsets to just tweak whatever needs to be tweaked, but all the text is there as real text. All the images are separate assets, so I can do all of the enhancements I wish in iBooks Author to create a really good iBooks. So for example, for this image here, if I wanted this to become full screen, then I would tap on the image, I would go to the widget inspector here, tap on Goes Full Screen, and that's enabled that in the right way. Similarly, I can move text boxes around and be able to then preview on the iPad and iterate through that until I'm completely happy with the iBooks. And after that, it's the usual process of publishing or sharing it with the readers. So there is a very quick overview of the new InDesign import feature in iBooks Author, and it's a great way of taking content from InDesign so you can further enhance and publish through iBooks Author.